Welcome to solverfy.
So this question is asking us to give structures for the following alkenes. And just a reminder, an alkene is a hydrocarbon that contains a double bond on a specific position. So to draw each of these structures, we're going to look at what these names mean and what each part of the name is referring to. In part A, we see a 3 followed by a root name. This 3 right here means that there is a double bond located off of the third carbon. The root name hexene means that we are drawing a chain of 6 carbons. So what I'm going to draw is a chain of 6 carbons with a double bond off of the third. That's my first, that's my second, this is my third, so I'll draw my double bond there. Fourth, fifth, and sixth. And just to check, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 carbons with a double bond off the third chain. That is the structure for 3-hexene. For part B, there should be an E there, we see a 2 and a 4 followed by the root heptadiene. So this di right here means 2, and there are 2 positions given right here. So what that tells me is that there are 2 double bonds in this alkene. There is 1 double bond off the second carbon, and there is a second double bond off of the fourth carbon. And hepta means 7, so that means there's going to be 7 carbons in this chain total. So that's my first carbon. That's my second carbon, which is where my first double bond is going to appear. That's my third. That's my fourth. My second double bond appears there. And then there should be 7 carbons in this chain total. Fifth, sixth, seventh. So just to check, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 carbons. There's my double bond off the second, and then another off the fourth. This is the structure for 2,4-heptadiene. Now for my last one, we have a part of the name that we haven't seen in the first two. We have a number followed by a methyl group, and then a second number followed by our root. So just to take this one piece at a time, the 2-methyl means that there is a methyl group off of the second carbon. The 3 here that's connected to the root tells us that there is a double bond off of the third carbon, and octene tells us that we are drawing a continuous chain that includes 8 carbons total. So I'm going to first draw my first carbon, and there's my second, which is going to have a methyl group off of it. That's my third. My double bond is off of the third carbon, so I'll draw that there. That's my fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, and then my 8th carbon in the chain. So just to check, I do have my methyl group off of the second carbon. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 carbons total, and then my double bond is off of the third carbon. And so that is the structure for 2-methyl 3-octene.